If you pick 10 coins at random, how many of those do you think will trend up? And how many will trend down? Not just today, but over a whole cycle. When I built the Crypto Master database for Larsson Line Pro, as a very nice side effect, I can also do analytics that I don't think anyone else can do right now. At a glance, we can really see where the winds are blowing. So let's go back to the question. Is crypto really finding a needle in a haystack? Or is it easy? Let's start with a random date in the past. Today is May 23rd, 2023. I picked February 23rd, 2020, little over 3 years ago. Mostly just because Bitcoin was 10,000 that day. At that time the COVID dip hadn't happened yet. Markets looked okay, but not stellar. And here are the results. Then actually most coins that had passed the listing threshold I use in Larsson Line Pro were gold in uptrend. 959 coin projects in uptrend, 254 in downtrend, 86 no trend. Wow! So crypto seems pretty easy. That was here. Then came the COVID dip. The vast majority of coins turned blue, but actually recovered back to uptrend pretty quickly. Already in May, there were more projects in uptrend than in downtrend. But then in September 2020, even though Bitcoin was doing great here, trending up like crazy, more altcoins were trending down even against the USD. Then came another alt season, starting in early January 2021. Most projects were in an uptrend again, making insane gains, and that period lasted about 5 months until May 2021. If we now zoom out, we see that except for brief moments where these charts crossed, there has always been more coins in downtrend than in uptrend. If we look at this as percentage instead, meaning what percentage of coins are in uptrend versus downtrend against USD, we see these periods where 70 to 75% of projects of coins are in uptrend. Those are the times when anyone can make money. When your Uber driver is an investment genius, because you can literally throw darts here and 75% of what you hit will be in an uptrend. But those periods don't last very long. That's why most Uber drivers remain Uber drivers, because they don't sell when the trend turns down and it's over. We also see something else, that the last time that happened was over 2 years ago. And if we go back to the first chart with number of projects, I hope you saw that what has changed is that there has come a much larger number of projects in downtrend. There are more garbage projects that just trend down, and now you will soon see that this is getting worse, because that was against the USD. Is it enough to make money in USD? I don't think so. I think we also need to beat Bitcoin. If you're trading stocks, you can't just make money. Anyone can do that. You also have to beat the index. So if we now repeat the exercise, and for every single day we calculate Larsson line for every single coin that exists, and then we see how many are in uptrend against BTC that day, and how many are in downtrend. And then we repeat that for the next day and the next day. Then this is what we get. Over the last 3+ years, it has only happened one brief period for 2 months in spring 2021 that most coins were in uptrend. And like 1 week here maybe. All other periods, most coins trended down. And look at how this has developed since then. There has come this massive amount of projects that mostly just trend down. They keep dumping. And these are not all coins, not all projects. These have already passed some quality criteria. These are just 10,000 out of these 24,600. The rest are basically dead. And if we would take all tokens straight off the blockchain, that would be 100,000 coins, and this would be even worse. Here you see this last view as percentage as well. So before we go into what to do, with this information? The answer to the question that I started the video with is that if you buy coins at random, only 14% of those will be in uptrend today. A whopping 75% of projects that have passed the quality criteria are trending down, losing money. So buying off something you read on Twitter or someone chilling on YouTube or some great random fundamentals, you only have a 1 in 7 chance to get a coin that is even trending up. That's just not going to work, and I think the times from early 2021 might not come back in the exact same way because of this chart. We've added much more garbage projects now, and spinning up another one with a credible white paper and website and everything has become trivial now with ChatGPT, so I think that trend will just accelerate, and all those coins aren't gonna go anywhere. If we do the other way around instead, we start with projects that are in fact trending up and then look if they seem good or not, we have an infinitely higher chance of success. I think the times where anyone can make money is over. We need to do better now. There were fewer projects then. I started this analysis yesterday and finished it today, so I'll be late home today because I wanted to share this with you immediately. And sitting here in my back office, seeing this, I am so happy that I built Larsson Line Pro. Even if no one else would use it, I need it myself. Then I can go in here and I can see that today, out of those 20,000 projects, only 6 have flipped gold today. Then I check those, good or not. Imagine doing it the other way around. There are too many projects to do that. I shared with you in this video that existing course participants have 30 days to get in on this price per year. Then price doubles. If you get in within the time frame, you keep that 50% discount forever upon renewal. And I think that's fair. If you don't join early, which means putting up with a product that's just a few weeks old, helping me build it out and so on, then okay, then you pay double the price. And if you haven't taken the course and don't want it, it's 8,900. I don't recommend that. Then I recommend taking the course first. So the deadline for this price, if you want the 50% discount forever, is now in 2 weeks. And just to not disappoint anyone, it could be that I need to close it early in case we can't handle the support for new members, because I don't want to have a single person who joins this and feels that they don't get my support if they need it. Then I'd rather close it early. To get it, you go to cityoflarsson.com and click Pro. Don't get scammed, please. I hope you learned something new today. More videos like this will come. Thank you, tack. City of Larsson out. Hej då!